a little duck over here. I got you.
And he leans over with me.
You ready?
Drop the person's jump.
Let it slide through. There you go.
Oh, look at you.
The other group, you saw those guys blocking the water.
Yeah.
It's going to be a bunch of water and it's really strong. So the idea is that you stay where you are. Do not slide down. Do not stay where you are. And fight for the camera.
Yeah.
Hold tight, everyone. Hold tight, right? Be ready for these guys.
Oh my God. No.
Be ready for a Costa Rica shower.
No.